This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on voice to text on your Samsung keyboard. So you can see I have the option right here. I can just tap it and then I should be able to use my voice option on my keyboard. So let's go to, while using this app, and go to I agree. And now it is working. I should be able to talk and it's going to type whatever I say in. And it seems like it does a pretty good job. So to enable this, we can just go to the top right on our Samsung phone and going down. Go to General Management. So let's find General Management down here at the bottom. You can see keyboard is listed in here. Then we can go to it and we can go to our keyboard settings. So we can go to keyboard and then we can go to our Samsung keyboard. And we can go on down and we should be seeing an option for voice input. So we can select this and just make sure you have a keyboard selected under here. So, voice input selected. So I have my Samsung voice input selected. So you might have yours set to none. And then we can go back. And then also we might have to enable like the toolbar or something like that. Keyboard toolbar, if that's not turned on. Word typing options, you can look at that too. Now we can go back to here. And it should be on. So just look in the bottom left now and tap it, and then it will start typing for you. Then also it might start working if you tap this power button too. There's some more options in here, I think, for your keyboard. So just look at your options, turn it on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.